Alrighty, my friends, my e-learning peeps. I know you're dying to know how we're going to do this, right? You've heard all kinds of things for whatever time. You had this wacky experience during the 4th 9 weeks. Let me just go ahead and tell you guys, this is going to be nothing like 4th 9 weeks. You've heard me say this in some of the other videos. It's not going to be the same. It's just not. So there's going to be a mix of different things. You're going to have some Zoom meetings with me. You're going to have lessons that I post, like videos similar to this one. There's going to be things to do in, it's called Ingenuity. There's going to be lessons there. It's going to be a number of different things. And it's the goal really for me as working with you guys on this and going through this is to make it actually be fun, to where you're learning, but you're also enjoying what you're doing, okay? And to make sure that you're getting everything that you need in a way that makes sense and that is good for you guys in this sort of e-learning environment, okay? So, it's going to be different than what it was in 4th 9 weeks. It's going to be much more structured, much more of what's called a pacing calendar. You know, we're going to cover these things this week. A lot of it's going to be on your own, to be honest. There's going to be quite a few things where, you know what, you're going to need to take the responsibility and do this. You have to go through this lesson. You have to do this reading, answer these questions, fill in these notes, get them turned in, those kinds of things. It's going to be a lot of responsibility on you to get them taken care of. Now, I'm going to be here to help you. I will be here. I'll have Zoom meetings. I'm available to reach out to, but it's just the nature of doing a class online is that a lot of it is your responsibility. And so I just want to make sure that everybody's on the same page with that. And we're going to kind of ease into this a little bit because I know some of you are still learning Canvas. You're still trying to figure that out. Maybe you've poked around in Ingenuity some and looked at some of that kind of stuff. Listen, I get it's a lot. I understand that. So we're going to kind of ease into it. I'm going to introduce some fun things next week. We're going to go over some different procedures. We're going to go over different stuff to help you be successful this semester. Okay, so again, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. You can reach out to me on Canvas. You can send me a text. Jump on that Remind. If you haven't joined as a student in Remind into your class, which is the 4th period class, I want you to go ahead and do that because that's another really good way to get a hold of me. And it's also a really good way for me to get you information really quickly if need be. So, all right, guys. Well, listen, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you on a Zoom meeting. Yeah! I'll see you on that Zoom meeting on